Hello, tech enthusiasts. Looking for a new premium laptop in 2025? Today, we're pitting the sleek ASUS Zenbook S16 against the powerful Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra. Which one wins for you? Watch till the end to find out. I've included links for the latest prices and deals in the description below. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a like, it helps me out a ton. The ASUS Zenbook S16 presents a strikingly modern and futuristic aesthetic, emphasizing a blend of high-tech materials and a remarkably thin profile. Its most defining characteristic is the ceraluminum lid, which combines aluminum with a ceramic oxide layer to create a matte, scratch-resistant surface. This unique finish, available in Scandinavian white or Zumaya gray, imparts a luxurious yet durable feel, though this ceramic treatment doesn't extend to the palm rest or base. Measuring a mere 0.51 inches thick and weighing 3.31 pounds, it is positioned as one of the slimmest and lightest 16-inch laptops on the market, aiming for exceptional portability for its size. Despite its svelte form, the Zenbook S16 manages to incorporate a practical selection of ports, including two USB 4 Type-C ports that support charging and display output, a single USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A port, an HDMI 2.1 output, and a full-size SD card slot, alongside a 3.5mm combo audio jack. Wireless connectivity is also cutting-edge, featuring Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra adopts a more minimalist and refined design, clad in a graphite aluminum chassis that Samsung refers to as Moonstone Gray. It maintains a slim profile at 0.65 inches thick and weighs 4.1 pounds, feeling substantial yet portable for a 16-inch desktop replacement, although it's not as feather-light as some competitors. While there's a minor degree of flex in the display lid and keyboard deck, the overall construction is sturdy and aesthetically clean. The bottom screen bezel is somewhat thicker, but the design remains sleek. For ports, the Galaxy Book4 Ultra offers a comprehensive and well-balanced selection comprising two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, a single HDMI port, one USB-A 3.2 port, a micro SD card reader, and a 3.5mm combo audio jack. This array provides robust versatility, particularly benefiting creators who need direct access for various peripherals. For wireless capabilities, it includes Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. When examining the displays, both offer truly impressive visual experiences, each with its own nuances. The Zenbook S16 features a stunning 16-inch 2880 by 1800 OLED touchscreen, which excels in delivering deep blacks, vibrant colors, and high contrast, coupled with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It also provides touch and stylus support, adding a layer of interactivity, although the clamshell design might not be ideal for extensive drawing. While it doesn't reach the peak brightness of some mini LED panels, its OLED nature ensures rich visuals, particularly beneficial in darker viewing environments. In contrast, the Galaxy Book4 Ultra also boasts a 16-inch AMOLED touch panel with a 2880 by 1800 resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung's expertise in AMOLED technology shines through, resulting in incredibly rich colors, deep blacks, and wide color gamuts. Users can fine-tune the display with various profiles and HDR+ settings. However, it's worth noting that the Galaxy Book4 Ultra doesn't offer a 4K resolution, unlike some of its competitors. Both laptops offer excellent display quality, making them suitable for content consumption and general productivity, with the choice often coming down to subtle preferences in brightness or a desire for true 4K. Moving to the camera and audio, there are some distinct differences. The Zenbook S16 comes with a 1080p FHD webcam that provides decent video quality for typical video calls. However, it lacks more advanced features like Windows Studio effects or AI-based background blur that are found in some competing models. On the audio front, the Zenbook S16 features an impressive 6-speaker Harman Kardon setup with Dolby Atmos, which delivers clear vocals and rich spatial sound, placing it among the best in the 16-inch category for an immersive audio experience. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra also includes a 1080p webcam, offering sharp and colorful video, and it does support Windows Studio effects for features like auto-framing and background blur. However, it notably omits an IR sensor for Windows Hello facial recognition and a physical privacy shutter. For audio, the Galaxy Book4 Ultra sports a quad-speaker setup with 2 woofers and 2 tweeters. While the bass is somewhat modest due to its slim profile, the overall sound is loud, clear, and well-balanced, with minimal distortion even at high volumes. It also benefits from Dolby Atmos toggles and customizable EQ settings via the Dolby Access software, providing an impressively immersive sound for a thin laptop. Regarding the keyboard and touchpad, both laptops approach these crucial input devices with different design philosophies. The Zenbook S16 features an island-style keyboard that is full-sized, responsive, and designed for comfortable long typing sessions. It thoughtfully includes a dedicated Microsoft Copilot key, aligning with its AI-centric design. The standout element here is the exceptionally large 5.9 by 3.7-inch touchpad. This oversized touchpad isn't just for expansive cursor movement. It incorporates innovative gesture controls, allowing users to intuitively adjust volume by sliding up or down the left edge, control brightness via the right edge, and even scrub media horizontally across the top. This smart use of space makes it one of the more innovative touchpads available on a Windows laptop. In contrast, the Galaxy Book4 Ultra's backlit keyboard includes a full numeric pad and a Copilot key, but the typing experience is underwhelming. The key travel is shallow and the feedback can feel hollow, potentially leading to more typing errors during extended use. Furthermore, the arrow keys are half-height, and some common keys like Home and Page require FN key combinations unless the numlock is specifically disabled. However, the Galaxy Book4 Ultra compensates with its massive 4.25 by 6-inch glass touchpad, which is praised for its smoothness, responsiveness, and ease of use, making it a strong point despite the keyboard's shortcomings. Finally, in terms of battery life, one laptop clearly distinguishes itself. The ASUS Zenbook S16 delivers an exceptional battery performance, achieving an impressive 20 hours and 7 minutes in video playback tests. This endurance is a significant advantage for mobile professionals and is attributed to its efficient 4nm AMD chip, the absence of a power-hungry discrete GPU, and the OLED panel's ability to control power at the pixel level. This makes it a class leader in battery longevity. The Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra also offers excellent endurance for a laptop with its specifications, delivering 17 hours and 6 minutes in video playback tests. This is a very strong showing for a device that includes an RTX 4070 GPU and an AMOLED panel, easily providing enough power for an entire workday and into the evening. While both offer commendable battery life, the Zenbook S16 stands out with a notably longer runtime. When examining the performance capabilities, a clear distinction emerges, primarily driven by their chosen processing and graphics hardware. The Zenbook S16 is equipped with the AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 processor, AMD's flagship chip for AI PCs in 2025. This processor boasts 12 cores and 24 threads, offering strong performance in productivity tasks and AI-enhanced workflows. It includes 32 neural engine tiles and delivers up to 50 TOPS of AI performance, making it highly efficient for tasks that leverage its AI capabilities. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra features the Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor, a 16-core hybrid architecture chip. While it also has a built-in neural processor, its NPU AI performance is up to 11 TOPS, with a total AI performance of up to 34 TOPS, which is lower than the AMD chip in the Zenbook S16 in terms of raw AI TOPS. In multi-core CPU performance benchmarks like Cinebench R23, the Intel system in the Galaxy Book4 Ultra tends to pull ahead of the AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370. However, the Zenbook S16 still delivers excellent performance in general productivity tests such as PCMark 10 and Handbrake, proving its capability in handling multitasking and video rendering for standard workflows. The most significant difference between these two laptops lies in their graphics, and consequently, their editing and gaming prowess. The ASUS Zenbook S16 relies solely on its integrated AMD Radeon 890M GPU. While this integrated graphics solution is capable of handling basic photo editing and lighter creative tasks, it significantly falls short in graphics-heavy benchmarks like 3D Mark x Spy and GFX Bench. This means that for demanding applications such as 4K video editing, 3D rendering, or GPU-accelerated creative software like Adobe Premiere Pro, the Zenbook S16 will struggle and provide a far from ideal experience. Its performance in these areas lags considerably behind laptops equipped with discrete GPUs. Conversely, the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra elevates its creative and gaming potential by incorporating a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU with 8 GB of video RAM. This discrete graphics card fundamentally transforms its capabilities. The RTX 4070 allows the Galaxy Book4 Ultra to tackle 1080p to 1440p gaming with solid frame rates, often exceeding 60 FPS in modern AAA titles at high or ultra settings. More importantly for creators, this GPU provides substantial acceleration for 4K video editing, 3D rendering, and other GPU-intensive creative workloads. In benchmarks like 3D Mark Time Spy and Puget Bench for Photoshop, the Galaxy Book4 Ultra demonstrates its superior performance in these domains. When it comes to gaming specifically, the Zenbook S16 is not designed for this purpose. Its integrated graphics, while respectable for an iGPU, are simply not powerful enough to offer a compelling gaming experience, beyond very light titles or older games at low settings and resolutions. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra, on the other hand, with its RTX 4070, is a capable gaming machine, suitable for enjoying a wide range of modern games, although a 3K native resolution might require scaling down to 1080p for the smoothest frame rates in the most graphically demanding titles. The combination of the powerful Intel Core Ultra 9 processor and the discrete NVIDIA RTX 4070 in the Galaxy Book4 Ultra provides a much more versatile and robust platform for performance-intensive tasks, particularly in creative multimedia work and gaming, which are areas where the integrated graphics-only Zenbook S16 is distinctly limited. So, which should you buy in 2025, the Zenbook S16 or the Galaxy Book4 Ultra? If you prioritize sleek design, all-day battery life, and excellent portability for work or travel, the Zenbook S16 is a fantastic choice. But if you need serious performance for creative work, gaming, or GPU-heavy tasks, the Galaxy Book4 Ultra is the clear winner. With its powerful RTX 4070 GPU and Intel Core Ultra 9, it simply does more. For creators and power users, the Galaxy Book4 Ultra takes the crown. Let me know your pick in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.